Good afternoon. I am Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady. I'm so glad you're joining me today, and I appreciate your support. So today I'm working on week 47 of Margarete Miller's collages, her collage assignments, and I need something purple and also a game or puzzle piece. So I thought this would be perfect for that. I'm going to use this as my game piece and my something purple. I need block print or all caps, so I will probably either use stickers or write something by hand, or maybe I can find something that's I've cut out of a magazine. I don't know, but we also need a famous city, and this is Jerusalem. And I'm going to make this look aged by decoupaging some old used tea bag over it. And then we need music symbols and graph paper. So I kind of was going to cheat. I don't know if it would be cheating and call this graph paper here with the music symbols, but I've got a piece of graph paper here, so I'll just use that. And I'm going to kind of like make my background like this. I've got this also, which I think I will maybe put somewhere. But what I really want to do now is paint these pieces here with coffee. For this, I'm just going to dip my paintbrush right in the bottle, and I'm going to coat my little picture here with it, with the matte. It's matte, but it's still kind of not super shiny, but a little bit maybe. And then I'm going to put my tea bag right on top and try to smooth it out and put another layer of Mod Podge right on top. I always do my Mod Podging on a piece of plastic. These are plastic placemats from Dollar Tree, because then you can kind of peel it off when it's dry and it doesn't ruin anything. So now we're going to have to let this dry and then figure out how we're going to arrange all our elements. So yeah. And you got to trust the process on this, because it always looks like it's not going to be, you're not going to be able to see it very well, but when it dries, you can see it very well, I promise, and it will look old. Okay, so this is dry, and I'm going to try to cut it off very nicely without cutting the card. And while I'm doing so, I'll read to you what it says. Islamic tradition holds that the Prophet Muhammad ascended to heaven from a rock in Jerusalem. It is upon this rock that the oldest existing Islamic building stands. It was built from 687 to 691 on the same spot as the Jewish temple and Roman temple of Jupiter. Its octagonal design, gilded wooden dome, and rich interior mosaics make the dome of the rock one of the most beautiful religious shrines in the world. So that's what this is a picture of in the city of Jerusalem. So we're going to use that as our famous city. I think Jerusalem is a pretty famous city. I would think everybody would agree with that. So we got that. A little bit up here I want to cut off still. I thought I would use the black stickers to just spell out Jerusalem on the page somewhere. And I am also going to age this up with a little bit of ink. And I think I'll use my trusty Ranger potting soil. Make it look a little bit older, even around the edge, or even older around the edges. Okay. So we got that, and my paper is dry. I got my graph paper, and I've got my music symbol. And I have to get my other music symbol that fell on the floor. So I'm going to put this background on, but I think I'm going to ink this edge here. And I don't need all of this, so I'm going to cut some of this off. Hopefully I'm not cutting off too much. I'm going to ink around all the edges. And I'm also going to ink around my little game piece here. So let's do that. It's hard to ink the edges of very flimsy paper. That is true. So how are you all doing? I hope you're doing great. Today I'm filming this on October 29th. We just had the weekend with our daughter and grandson, and it was a lot of fun. We did some Halloween type activities. My husband keeps going in and out the front door and making noises. So I'm going to use this glue to glue down my background because I am discovering, and I can't remember which glue I've used to do it with, is not holding up too well. I don't remember. It might be the Pen and Gear. Probably is the Pen and Gear glue sticks. I'm guessing, but I'm not sure. So I'm just going to use what I know will work. So we have that there. Now we're going to ink around this edge and get this down. And, well, before what I was getting at about the date, it is really warm up here for October. Like, normally it's snowing by now, but it's going to be 75 degrees tomorrow. Today was 60-something. Tomorrow and Thursday it is going to be 75 degrees, which is just insane to me. But it is. And it was last week, almost 80, which is crazy. But it's just the way it is nowadays, I guess. We used to have the harshest winters. We'd have like 2 feet of snow on the ground from October to April. And now it's not like that at all. It's more like the New Jersey winters that I had growing up. Alright, so we have this. We've got our picture. Oh, I wanted to ink this up. Smudge it. Looks smudged, doesn't it? So we'll have that. Not sure where I'm going to put that. I'll probably just put Jerusalem across the bottom here. I don't think I need this, actually, because I don't know what I'd do with it. It would just be an extra piece that I don't need. But now I can't find my prompts. Here we are. Make sure I have everything. Something purple, and it's also the game piece, the bonus. Block prints are all caps. Famous city. Music symbol. And graph paper. So I do have everything. Alright, so I guess I'm going to kind of put this like this. And yeah, this card is from an old pack of World Landmark flashcards that I got from the dollar spot at Target many years ago. I used them in our school when we homeschooled. And now I no longer need them for homeschooling. I think I'll go ahead and put that up there. This side is so cute too, but I have more of these, so I think it'll be fine to cover it up. Should I put it? Maybe I'll do it on this angle. That's cute. And now I just have to spell out Jerusalem with my stickers. I'll probably speed this up. Maybe I'll do it across the bottom. I don't know if it'll fit here if I need to. Yeah, for us it made more sense to go with one of the managed care things. But we never would have been able to figure that out on our own. So I think I better take these all off as fast as I can. The R is ruined. So it was nice to have somebody who wasn't actually like selling it, you know what I mean? To help you out. Okay, got USA. That says USA. Now I'll put some glue here. I need my R, a new R. Okay, new. I hope I have enough room now. Oops, not that. If I have to move them again, I don't think it's going to work. L, Jerusalem. L. E. I think I'm just going to make it. M. He's up too high though. M, M, M. Oh, that's kind of a wonky M. Let's get back in order there. Okay. Something under there. What is that? There was like a wrinkle on it. I thought something was stuck to it. So there we have that. Let's make sure we had everything, even though I just did. Did I glue that one? Yeah. Something purple game piece. Block prints are all caps. Famous city. Music symbols. Graph paper. I got them all. So this was number 47. And I thank you so much for following along with me as I made this little creation, and I hope you'll join me for next week's and look around on my channel for other stuff that I do if you feel so inclined. And we'll see you again next time. Bye bye.